Peace, everybody. This is Kashim with the 45 Fitness and Strength channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Thanks for checking in. This is going to be the first of a 4-part series that I'm putting up about how I'm training now twice per week. Full body sessions, each session twice per week. If you've seen any of my previous videos in the last couple of months, then you'll see that I've been experimenting with some dog crap or DC training, as it's called. I am a power lifter. I've been competing for 12 years now. Wow, time's flown. About 12 years, since 2008. And I've been taking some time off from the platform primarily because I realized I need to gain a little more weight. I've been walking around at 200, around 13 pounds, and now I'm walking around at 220. That's a pretty good improvement in about a 2 to 3 month time frame for someone who's been lifting as long as I have. The dog crap training protocol calls for training 3 times a week, and I've really enjoyed the sessions, but unfortunately my schedule has caused me to be missing sessions more often than I'd like, and I'm only getting in the gym about twice a week anyway. And the dog crap training is has a split where it's more like an upper-lower split. So I want to try to take advantage of those 2 sessions as much as I can, the 2 sessions I've been getting in, and make sure I'm hitting everything, all muscle groups, at least twice per week. So that's what the 2 times a week protocol that I'm doing is based on dog crap, but it's not exactly that because dog crap does call for 3 times a week. That's what this experiment is about. I'm looking to run this for about the next 2 months through like the end of March. And we'll see what kind of progress we make or progress we don't make. Find out whether or not this works. Anyway, here are clips from the first training session that I've done with this protocol. And let's get in the gym. All right, so we're starting this session off with incline bench press. Still using the rest pause protocol that we picked up from the dog crap or DC training. Rest pause meaning, at least as we apply it here, you start your set with your working weight, take that to failure, put the bar back on the rack or set the weight down, whatever. Take about 15 deep breaths and then go right back at it. Those 15 deep breaths tend to take about 30 to 45 seconds. So you basically get 3 rounds with a given weight and 2 breaks of like 30 to 45 seconds in between those rounds. It's really not enough time if the weight is heavy enough for you to recover all the way. So the second and third rounds with the given weight are not supposed to put you or give you as many reps as you got on that first round. So that's what we're doing here, starting with the incline press. You'll see that these sessions are going to have about 5 or 6 exercises in them to cover the whole body. If you really wanted to take a minimalist approach, you could really do it in 3 if you wanted to, or maybe 4 exercises, but I'm going to stretch it out to 5 or 6. This is an exercise that I have never done before, so I'm doing this one as a straight set, standing behind the neck press, and this is a pretty lightweight, just 85 pounds for 10 reps, which felt pretty tough by the end. But because this is a very new exercise for me, I'm just doing a straight set here, and I'll probably do a straight set next time I end up doing this again until I really get a feel for the movement. But it didn't hurt. You know, I've been hearing for a long time and reading that doing presses behind the neck will hurt or injure you. And I've had my share of shoulder problems, but doing those reps, nothing felt bad about them. So I think I'm going to try them out at least one more time. Then on to these pull downs and doing a underhand grip, which I have not been doing on pull downs before. Trying this out, just mixing things up a little bit. But my plan is to keep these exercises as I'm doing them in the rotation, just like with the DC protocol. So what that means is everything I'm doing in this workout, I'll do again when I get back to it. This is workout 1, going through workout 4. After that 4th one, then the next one after that will be workout 1 again. And the idea is still to beat the logbook, meaning do more weight with the same amount of reps that I did in this workout, or do more reps with the same amount of weight. Hope I didn't mess that up, but that's the point. Do more weight or more reps. On this particular exercise, I may run into a problem. I don't know how soon, but I'm almost doing the whole stack here. I think this stack tops out at 200, maybe 210. But if I'm at 170 doing 15 reps on the first go, that's kind of a lot of reps for DC. So I'm really going to have to either figure out something else to do, or start doing maybe some weighted pull-ups, which I've been trying to avoid. My first shoulder injury, I actually got doing weighted pull-ups, so I've been hesitant to do them again. Maybe that's just something in my head I have to get over. So anyway, curls. The way I'm setting this thing up, I'm not going to do a direct bicep movement every workout. I'm going to do that in workouts 1 and 3. Same thing with triceps. I'll do a direct tricep movement in workouts 2 and 4. The idea is that between the pressing and the pulling, the vertical and horizontal pulling, there is bicep and tricep activation going on, but I do think there's benefit in directly targeting both of those muscle groups. So that's why there will be curls and some kind of tricep exercises, probably close grip bench press in session 2, and then the line tricep extension, I think, in workout 4. That's the game plan, but still using a rest pause for both of those. And if you see this 90 pounds, that's because I'm assuming that this bar is 20 pounds. And also, if you're keeping count, you may notice that I'm cheating the bar up for the first rep, so I can start each rep with a negative. So that's why I'm not counting the motion of me cheating the bar up to the top position to actually start the set. I did do some calves and abdominal work, but I didn't bother to record them. I figure if it's boring for me to do it, it's probably going to be boring to look at. I really just don't like doing it, but I will include it in at least one of these workouts, so you can see what I do. There's really only one apparatus to do calves on in the gym, and I mean, there are plenty of options for abs, but I tend to do either the ab wheel, or they got this Total Gym ab machine that I actually think is pretty useful. So that's what I do there. Also did a straight set for forearms after those curls. I did a set of reverse curls. I just forgot to record those. And finished the session with these squats that you see here. That's what DC calls for. Also do the squats last. So here we are with the back off set after topping out at 420 for 5. I really wanted 6 reps on that first set. So next time I squat, my plan will be to try 420 for the 6. And assuming I get that, then go up to 425 the next time I squat. So this is the end of the session. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you very much for spending a few minutes with me. Please, if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you click that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified on future uploads. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Peace, everybody.